Most companies have key personnel who are vital to the success of the business. These individuals could be owners, partners, or employees. What would happen to your business if a key person suddenly wasn't around any longer? Without a plan, the unexpected loss of a key person could cause your business to suffer serious consequences, like the loss of key accounts, diminished earnings, unexpected replacement costs, or loss of credit. Ultimately, every business will be in this position sooner or later due to death, disability, or if a key person leaves the company. Life insurance can help offset many of these consequences. Under the key person concept, the business purchases a policy on the key employee's life, pays the premium, and is the beneficiary of the policy. If the employee dies while the policy is still in force, the business receives the death benefit proceeds generally tax-free. Those proceeds can be used in a number of ways, such as offsetting losses or helping with the cost of training and hiring a replacement. Any cash value in the insurance policy can also be used while the key person is still alive. If the employee becomes disabled or leaves the company, the business can use the cash value to help with the financial impact of those situations. Find out more about how key person life insurance could benefit your business. Talk to your financial professional today.